Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Temu account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Okay guys, go ahead and open up your Temu app on your phone. This works for both iOS and Android users. And now you'll be brought to the home page of Temu. And then what you want to do here is click on You down below. And then from here, you want to click on Sign In or Register. And then under continue it says trouble signing in. Click on that. And then from here, if you've forgotten your password, you can click to reset your password. Or if you forgot your account, you can click on find your account. So if you click on find your account, you can use your email, mobile phone number or order ID to find your account. But if you just simply forgot your password, to recover it, click on reset your password. So I'm going to go ahead and click on reset your password. And then add in that email account associated to your Temu app. So I'm going to type in my email account. Alright, my email account has been added, and then click on submit. And then from here, you need to check your emails for that 6-digit code. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, I found the email sent from Temu, and here's the 6-digit code. So I'm going to click and hold that, copy, and then head over to Temu. Sometimes it automatically adds in, but at this stage looks like I need to manually do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Right, that's been added in. And now create a new password. And don't forget to jot it down somewhere just in case you forget it. Alright, and that's all done guys. And that's how to recover your Temu account. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful.